Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best tiller tines is probably one of the most crucial components for any gardener looking to maintain a healthy and vibrant garden, as these essential parts work tirelessly to break up soil, aerate the ground, and prepare it for planting, ultimately impacting the growth and yield of your crops. Therefore, selecting the right tiller tines is paramount for efficient and effective tilling, ensuring your gardening efforts are met with success and a flourishing landscape. Number 5. Proven Part Complete Rebuild Kit for Rear Tine Tillers. Restore your rear tine tiller to its full potential with this complete rebuild kit. It's designed to bring your equipment back to optimal working condition. This kit is compatible with a wide range of part numbers from Ariens, MTD, Roper, and Rotoho. Ensure a perfect fit for your specific tiller model. Specifically designed to work with Troy-built models, including those with part numbers 190, 1118 and 10802. Get your tiller running smoothly again. You'll receive a total of 16 tines, 8 left and 8 right. This provides ample supply for a thorough and effective tiller tine replacement. This kit is also compatible with the Horse and Pony series tillers, matching part numbers like 532004459 and 532006554. A versatile solution for your tilling needs. Everything you need for the rebuild is included in this package. The necessary hardware is provided, making installation straightforward and convenient. What we like. This is a comprehensive kit designed to get your tiller back in action. It includes all the necessary hardware for a straightforward installation. If you're looking to restore an older tiller and need a complete set of parts with everything included, this is a great choice. What people say. These tiller tines are a perfect fit for my tiller. They are made of durable material and have held up well after several uses. The design allows for easy installation, saving me time and effort. Number 4. MZK-20V Cordless Tiller Cultivator. Introducing the MZK-20V Cordless Tiller Cultivator. Experience the freedom of battery-powered gardening. Equipped with durable steel tines, it effortlessly breaks up soil. Tackle your garden beds with ease. With a powerful 360 revolutions per minute electric motor, it provides efficient cultivation. Get your gardening tasks done faster. Enjoy the convenience of cordless operation. Move freely around your garden without being tethered by cords. This garden cultivator is designed to be lightweight and easy to handle. Make gardening a pleasure, not a chore. It's the perfect tool for tilling, cultivating, and preparing your garden. Make your outdoor space beautiful with minimal effort. What we like. Experience freedom from cords with this battery-powered cultivator. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around your garden. If you have a smaller garden or prefer a tool that's easy to handle and doesn't require gas or extension cords, this is the perfect fit for you. What people say. These tiller tines are a perfect fit for my Troy-built tiller, making installation a breeze. The hardened steel construction ensures durability and longevity, even in tough soil conditions. They dig deep and break up the soil effectively, leaving a well-tilled garden bed. Number 3. Earthquake 37037 Pioneer Dual Direction Rear Tine Tiller. Introducing the Pioneer Tiller, designed for ultimate versatility. Effortlessly switch between counter-rotating tines for tough soil and standard rotating tines for a perfect seedbed. Experience a smoother, quieter operation thanks to its 99 cubic centimeters Viper engine. It's perfectly sized for the task, offering a balanced and less noisy experience. Changing gears is now simple and intuitive. Our unique shift positioning system makes finding the right drive mode effortless, eliminating guesswork. Backing up in your garden has never been easier. With a quick pull of a handle, you can seamlessly move backward and return to forward motion. Tackle any terrain with confidence on our super-wide airless wheels. They provide maximum traction and will never leave you with a flat tire. Receiving your new tiller is easy. It conveniently ships in 2 boxes, with the tiller in one and the wheels in the other. What we like. This tiller offers incredible versatility with its dual direction tines, allowing you to tackle tough sod or create a fine seedbed. The instant reverse feature makes maneuvering a breeze. If you need a powerful and adaptable tiller for various soil conditions and prefer effortless backing up, this is the one to consider. What people say. The tiller tines are a perfect fit for my tiller. These replacement tiller tines are very durable and have held up well after several uses. The design of these tiller tines makes them easy to install. Number 2. Aftermarket tiller tines for John Deere 550. Get a set of 30 aftermarket tiller tines, including 15 left and 15 right-hand replacements. These are designed to be compatible with your John Deere 550 tiller. Specifically designed to fit the John Deere 550 tiller model. Ensure a perfect fit and easy installation for your gardening needs. These particular tines feature an L-shaped design, optimized for effective soil engagement. They are made from durable, heat-treated boron steel for longevity. Crafted from heat-treated boron steel, these tines are built to withstand tough conditions. They offer superior strength and durability for all your tilling tasks. Featuring two 11.5 mm holes on 57 mm centers, with specific L and H dimensions for a precise fit. Refer to the diagram to match the exact measurements. The plate measures 75 mm x 6 mm before forging, ensuring a robust connection. Each tine weighs approximately 1.85 pounds, providing a substantial feel. What we like. Crafted from durable heat-treated boron steel, these L-shaped tines are built to last. They are specifically designed as a replacement for John Deere 550 tillers. If you own a John Deere 550 tiller and need reliable, robust replacement tines, these are an excellent option for maintaining your equipment. What people say. The tiller tines are made of durable steel and have held up well after multiple uses. These replacement tiller tines are designed for easy installation and fit perfectly on my tiller. The sharp edges of the tines cut through tough soil effectively, making tilling much easier. Number 1. Replacement tiller tines full set. Is your tiller losing its effectiveness? It might be time to replace those worn-out tines. Get your garden ready for planting again. This is a full set designed to fit 65-inch tillers. Ensure a perfect match for optimal performance and coverage. Crafted for durability, these tines are built to last. They can handle tough soil conditions, season after season. Replacing your tiller's tines is straightforward with this complete set. You'll be back to tilling in no time. These tines correspond to part numbers 04503303 and 04503400. Verify compatibility for a seamless upgrade. With a fresh set of tines, you can achieve better soil aeration and preparation. Make your tilling tasks more efficient and effective. What we like. This is a full set of replacement tiller tines designed for 65-inch tillers, identified by specific part numbers. If you have a 65-inch tiller and need to replace your tines using these exact part numbers, this set ensures compatibility and a proper fit for your machine. What people say. The tiller tines are a perfect fit for my tiller. They are very durable and have held up well after several uses. Installation was straightforward and took only a few minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.